Hey B family, today I will be doing an unboxing of what we think is the ultimate starter vlogging kit. This video is part 1 of 2, so be sure to check out part 2.
Sit down and emotions feel like I never did before.
So we will mainly be using our cell phones for vlogging. That's right, the main thing that you need for vlogging is a cell phone, and it really could be the only thing that you need. Everything else is just extras. So since we're using our cell phones, we decided that we're gonna get a mic and other equipment to help enhance that. So what we have here is a Movo Vxr10 microphone. It's for a DSLR camera or cell phones, so it can be used on either one. But for us, using it on our iPhone, there's a little bit more that we had to purchase to make it work. So in the box, we have the instructions, a bunch of little cards, telling you how to set up and whatever, all that boring stuff that nobody ever reads. So let's get straight into it. So right here, as you can see, we've got lots of goodies. So in the box you have this soft carrying case, and it's a drawstring. And the next thing that is in there that I'm going to show is the furry windscreen. This helps with noise reduction. So here's the actual Movo mic, and it comes out of the windscreen, and you can use it without it. It comes with two cables in there, the 3.5mm TRS cable and the 3.5mm TRRS cable. So I'm gonna dive in and just set this bad boy up for you guys, just so you know everything in this video, part 1, is under $40. I'm gonna list the price up for the Movo microphone right here. Because I use an iPhone, I'm gonna have to have a adapter to set the microphone up to my phone. So this is the U green adapter, and it was under $10. I'm gonna list the price here for you. So those of you with, I believe, an iPhone 7 and later, those models, you're gonna need an adapter. So here I have my phone, and I'm gonna show you how you set it up. Just like that. That's it. It's simple. And then you're going to attach your mic to the other part there. So I even took it a step further, and because we're going to have it on a mount, and you're going to see which mount we chose in part 2. We're going to need this here so that the cord doesn't get bent when it's set up on the mount. You'll see what I'm talking about in the end. But these are just some lightning adapters, really simple. I'm going to put the name up here because I totally forgot, but it's really cheap and we got it off Amazon. So let me set this bad boy up right here and show you guys what I'm talking about. So it connects like that. So what's annoying with the iPhone, it's just a lot of extra steps to take to connect it. So people, if you're gonna buy just one thing from all of these products that I'm recommending, I'm gonna recommend that you buy this one. This is where you're gonna see the largest, the most significant difference in your vlogging. It's gonna be with this product right here. So this is the Zenvo or Zenvo, I'm gonna have to figure out how you say it, wide angle lens. So it says it's a true view 0.45x wide angle lens, Claros 15 times macro lens. So there we go. So the box is off. When you open the box, you'll notice that you have the lens here on this side, and you have a little carry case. I think this carrying case is really neat, so you can hook it onto something. So it comes with something to clean the lens. It comes with this, I don't know what this is for, some kind of charger. It comes with, okay, so you can wear it around your neck. And it also comes with, this is the clip to clip it onto the phone. And it also comes with a, oh my goodness, a light. Oh my goodness. No way. And it has different settings. That is amazing. I had no idea it came with a light. So obviously I opened this before. So let's get that out the way and move on to the lens. Well, we do have an important, okay, sorry about that. Need help? So it has a step 1, unfold USB from keycard. Step 2, insert it into your computer. There we go. So here we go. Protect your product for life. Register for free within 7 days. Oh wow, we have to register. Okay. So this is really cool. This is really cool. So you put, this is what you put into the computer. Watch a video tutorial below to prevent damage to your lens kit. Watch it here at zenvopro.com/welcome-001. Okay, now for this baby. It is beautiful. Yes, it is. So here it is. Back and front. Okay, so you clip this off. There we go. What a beauty, huh? And you screw this part off. So I have tried it on my phone, and it's really, really nice. I think this was $39.99 on Amazon. Okay, so it's on. I'm gonna grab my phone. So it fits, I believe it fits every phone. The phone that I have is a iPhone X. Okay, so what I do, I turn it on, and then I kind of mess with it because you have to figure it out. You can't, you know, record like that, so you have to. Okay. Nope, see, it's not ready. So this is so hard. It's harder because I'm trying to do this in front of the camera. Okay, so there we go. I don't know if you can see the difference, so I'm gonna put it in. Well, let's go back to a photo. So right here, I'm gonna take a photo that's with it, and then without it, you instantly see the difference. You instantly see the difference. So let's see, I don't want the glare. Okay, let's see how we can do this. Okay, there we go. So with the wide angle lens, without, with, and without. Okay, so you see that it does work. It's an amazing product. I really do like it. So there we go. The Zenvo wide angle lens. So I'm gonna put this back up and get right into, or oh no, no way. Okay, I started screwing off the wrong part. Okay, so this can come off too. Okay, so let's put it back together. So this is what we'll be using on our phone to get better footage from the vlog. It's actually much clearer. Okay, sorry, my light fell down. I am recording this in my bed. I'm terrible, but it's kind of my hideaway zone. So yeah, there we go. So this is just part 1 of 2. Make sure you head over to our next video to see the unboxing of the Smooth 4 and the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below and I'll make sure that we upload and unbox everything that we get while we're building this vlog. Make sure you guys hit the like button, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for being awesome.